Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get Drawing Cartoons 2 on your iPhone. First, locate and tap the App Store icon on your device's home screen. Once the App Store is open, look for the search icon, which typically appears as a magnifying glass at the bottom right of your screen. Tap this icon, then carefully type Drawing Cartoons 2 into the search bar that appears at the top. This will help you find the correct application quickly and efficiently. After searching, you'll see Drawing Cartoons 2 appear in the results list. Make sure it's the official app by checking the developer's name. To begin the download, simply tap the Get button located right next to the app's title. Your iPhone will then prompt you to confirm the download. You can do this securely using your Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your Apple ID password, ensuring your account remains protected. Once you've confirmed the download, the app will begin installing itself onto your iPhone. This process usually takes just a few moments, depending on your internet speed and device. You'll notice the Get button transform into an Open button once the installation is complete. When you see Open, tap it to launch Drawing Cartoons 2 for the very first time and start exploring its features. Now that Drawing Cartoons 2 is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its interface. Many apps offer helpful in-app tutorials or guides to get you started. You can begin by creating your first character, designing a scene, and then bringing it to life with animation. Experiment with the various tools and features to unleash your creativity and tell your unique cartoon stories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.